Today I will introduce the installation of the flush mount unit TL-5600. The part is here. The first one is the flat cable and the 3.5mm jack audio cable, the measure part, the fixed part, the decorate part, the flush mount unit, screwdriver, and the T-type cable. First step, we use a fixed part to put into the hole. During this step, we could use the screwdriver adjust the position. After that, we make it fastened and fix into the hole. And now the first fixed part is fixed into the hole. And then we find a measure part and a fixed part. The measure part insert to the fixed part. And then we insert to the first fixed part to measure the distance. After put into the hole, we fix the second fixed part and make it fastened. And now, two fixed parts have fastened into the hole. We could remove the measure part. And then we use the flush mount unit to insert to the fixed part. Now the flush mount unit have fixed into the hole. And then we find the decorate part to insert. Okay, the installation part is finished. Then we connect the flush mount unit between the unit and the connecting box. We use the 10 pins flat cable to connect between the connecting box to the flush mount unit. We have to take attention for the direction. We see the flat cable have a part like this, then should insert to the connecting box. And the other side is connecting to the flush mount units in. And then we use the audio cable to the mic in, and then connect to the mic out. Connection finish. After finish connecting the connecting box and the flush mount unit, we could connect from the CCU to the connecting box. We use the T-type cable or extension cable from the CCU 8-pin plug. Then the other side connect to the connecting box. Now the connection is finished. If you have any queries, you could ask our technician or read our user manual. Thank you.